Video 5.1, Agreement in Person and Number. We use the terms person and number when we discuss the subject of a sentence. For example, person. The subjects I and we are the first person, the subject you is second person, and the subjects her, she, it, or they are third person. And number. A subject that names one thing is singular, and a subject that names more than one thing is plural. So let's take a look at the chart below, which shows how the verbs sweep and wash change their forms when they follow a third person singular subject. So first of all, in first person singular, you would write I sweep and wash. Second person singular, you sweep and wash. Third person singular, he sweeps and washes. Notice it changes with third person. And first person plural, we sweep and wash. Second person plural, you sweep and wash. Third person plural, they sweep and wash. Verb phrase. In a verb phrase, the helping verb, HV, must agree with the subject. So for example, Alberta has been running for 30 minutes. The helping verb has needs to be singular because the subject Alberta is singular. Or she does not tutor on Friday. The helping verb does is singular because the subject she is singular. Intervening phrase. A prepositional phrase that comes between the subject and verb is called an intervening phrase. Make sure the verb agrees with the subject, not with the object of the preposition, which would be part of that intervening phrase. For example, one of my friends is tutoring students in reading and math. Our verb is tutoring, and the subject is one. So both of these are singular. Or the students at Jefferson have many different jobs. The verb is have, and the subject is students. So the verb have needs to agree with students. You would say students have, not students has. Let's take a practice test, choosing the correct verb. We're first going to underline the subject of each sentence, and then choose the correct verb in parentheses which agrees with the subject. Number 1, 3 students in my biology class volunteers or volunteer at the museum. The subject is students, which is plural, so I always switch it to a pronoun, they, when it's plural. So you would say they volunteer is the correct verb at the museum. Number 2, they helps or help 6th graders with microscopes. The subject is they, so it's already the pronoun, and that means our verb is help because you would say they help, not they helps. Number 3, members of the Key Club makes or make sandwiches at a shelter. The subject is members, which is plural, so we would say they make. Make is the verb. And sentence 4, some seniors visit folks in nursing homes. The subject is seniors, which is plural, so we would say they visit folks. So visit is the verb. Good luck finding the correct verb on your own.